Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. आज मेरे साथ है मफरूजा मैम from BIM Trichy. मैम first of all congratulations. Last year placement बहुत अच्छा रहा. 35 lakhs international placements and 22 was domestic.
Yes.
But I've heard a lot of things on the campus about this internationalization that BIM is doing, like a lot of tie-ups and a lot of emergent programs with foreign universities, etc., etc. My audience would love to understand that how BIM is now moving towards the international level of MBA. So please go ahead and explain us this.
Okay. So, as you know that internationalization of higher education has become a priority.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
for the new business order.
Absolutely.
So we also at BIM trying to collaborate with reputed international organizations
Okay.
to lead co-creation of knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then and to adopt the best practices from for the business management.
Okay. Okay.
So keeping all those things in our mind, we started collaborating with the institutions like the from Europe, then US, and the other like the countries.
Okay.
So as of now, we have signed one MOU with Rennes School of Business France
Nice.
to offer a student and faculty exchange program
Okay.
and to carry a research project.
Okay.
Okay, and for a lot of immersion programs.
Okay.
So students
Okay.
can go to their campus,
Mm-hmm.
okay, to learn maybe the new pedagogy,
Okay.
to learn something new, maybe which we are not teaching here at BIM,
Okay.
and to
Okay.
explore the global experience.
Okay. Okay.
So we have signed another MOU
Okay.
with the University of Texas, Arlington,
Nice.
for a dual degree program.
Okay.
So here we are offering three programs. One that is MBA STEM program. As you know, the STEM program means the students will get 3 years working visa
Yeah.
with the program, and the course fee you can say around $40,000.
Okay. And it's a dual degree, so
Dual degree program.
they'll get degree from foreign university also.
Yes, yes.
And
From
BIM
one
as
degree
well.
from University of
Texas,
Texas and
yeah.
another from BIM Trichy.
Nice. Okay.
Second to the two programs, that is a MS program, MS in Business Analytics and MS in
Oh.
Information Systems.
Oh.
And
Okay.
the course fee around $36,000.
Okay. Okay.
But there are certain the criteria
Okay.
that like the is required to enter in this program.
Okay.
So, for example, like the students they need to like complete 1 year at BIM Trichy, and after completing some prerequisite courses, they can go and take admission at
Okay.
University of Texas.
And for
So
how
what-
many months they can be there?
It's like the 1 year, but like it can be extended for 2 years.
Okay.
So what happened there? Most of the cases that I heard from the professor and the international office of University of Texas, that students they like then complete one semester. After that they go for that internship. So once like they like gain some experience, then they come back and they finish the second semester. It's a semester based course, so 2 semesters are there.
Okay.
And that prerequisite courses are there, so they like must complete the prerequisite courses at BIM,
Okay.
and the credit
Okay.
will be transferred to
Okay.
University of Texas.
Okay.
And after successfully completion of this program, the student will be awarded degree from both the organizations.
So MS भी मिलेगा, MBA भी मिलेगा.
Yes.
Fantastic. So ma'am, can they search? I mean, not sure whether it's decided or not, but can they hunt for a job in US?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
can
And they
do
can
that.
hunt for a job in India also.
Yes.
Which is good. Yeah, that's what the work permit that we talked
Yes,
about, 3
yes,
years.
yes.
I think government ने भी अभी वो announce करा है मेरे ख्याल से. Very nice, very nice.
Time
Okay.
to time, like as you know, due to the geopolitical
Yeah,
issues,
ma'am.
like
Absolutely.
the situation changes.
Absolutely.
But it's there.
Okay. Okay. Anything else, ma'am, apart from this?
Yeah, right now we are also like on a discussion to collaborate with other two international organizations.
Okay.
One is that is with the Seoulbridge International School of Business,
Okay.
South Korea.
Oh,
So
nice.
here we are trying to sign the MOU for exchange program,
Okay.
then to conduct any MDP program jointly, or
Okay.
to organize any conference jointly, and for the faculty members also, like they know that faculty exchange program, and like the student, like they know they can start some research jointly.
Okay.
Another one, this is a little bit different. This is not for the 2 years, like you know
Okay.
that students who are like you know trying to get admission in MBA. It's like the beyond the MBA.
Oh,
So there
okay.
is a like you know we are like you know on a like you know process to sign the MOU with EMLV Paris. So
Okay.
with that, like then we are going to start a program that is Doctor of Business Administration.
That's PhD in MBA.
Yeah, so equivalent
Oh.
to PhD.
Okay,
So
equivalent
what
to PhD.
happened
Okay.
here? This PhD is little bit different from the normal, like,
The
you know,
Indian one.
Indian.
Okay.
So here, this is like the no, specially crafted for the experienced, like the
Professionals,
corporates,
okay.
professionals. Okay, where they this is actually it's a combining both that academic research and that experience of real world business. So whatever they are like the no experiencing the practical like the knowledge, so it's like the combination of both.
Okay.
So and most of the time, as you know that if you want to become a leader, then you need some advanced knowledge of
Yes.
leadership, the
That's right.
management and the strategy. So those like the people like the who like the will be willing to do that after completing maybe MBA after gaining 2 to 3 years experience, they can come and they can join this program.
Fantastic. Ma'am, I want to grab this opportunity and want to ask you some things about the BIM admission process here. First of all, ma'am, please let us know the selection process. You know, last year हमने वीडियो करी थी, student loved it honestly. इस साल के कट ऑफ क्या होंगे मैम, इस साल की सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस क्या होगी उसके बारे में बता दो फॉर माय स्टूडेंट्स और फॉर माय ऑडियंस.
Okay, so BIM always follow that same process.
Okay.
So here like then we go with the profile based selection. But there are some like the parameters
Right.
and different like the that qualities that we check.
Right.
So CAT
Yes, important.
is important, and as you know that we only accept CAT, ZAT and GMAT.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
there are different cutoffs are there for the open category. Okay, second is GDPI.
Right.
So GDPI, we actually you can say like the give more like the weightage to the
Okay.
GD and PI.
Okay.
Why I'm telling you, in the GD, actually after completing the GD process, we ask the student to summarize the GD like the that process, what they discussed, what they learned from the group discussion as a write-up.
Oh, so it's kind
So,
of VAT, you can say that.
Yes.
Okay,
So
perfect.
where we want to see like what that written analysis skills. So that is something we are adding with the GD.
Okay.
And PI, it's a very robust the process. So if the students can complete this or maybe like can finish their GD and PI process successfully, so then they will have
Okay.
good chances to enter
But ma'am,
PI.
tell me, which is more important? Is it the PI or the GD? Where they should be focusing more? Both is important, but from a BIM perspective, what matters a lot? And is JD an elimination round, or everybody who goes for JD will come for
No,
PI?
every one can
Acha.
come.
Okay. But
For-
ma'am, also tell me, it just popped up in my mind, what are the cutoffs for CAT and ZAT and for GMAT?
CAT around 75 to
Plus.
80.
Okay.
Yes, plus.
Okay.
Okay. And
ZAT.
70,
70 plus.
70 plus.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so see, मोटा मोटी ना CAT का score, ZAT का score is important. दोनों में से एक चलेगा. But I think it's a score plus profile based selection.
Yes.
It's not only score, it's not only profile. It's a combination of both.
Yeah, combination of both. Because we have noticed in the class, this is my personal experience.
Yeah, please share, ma'am.
Some students with a very good CAT percentile.
Right.
But when I see that the class interaction
Can understand,
or
yeah.
maybe their CGPA
Right.
or something when they are coming here, they are not performing as per their CAT score. That
Got
I have
it.
noticed, and it's my personal opinion.
No, ma'am. I have also seen folks like that.
I have seen
It
lot
does
of
happen.
students, maybe their CAT percentile little low.
Yeah.
But for example, I have seen seen some students who took admission and they were in my panel, and they did extremely good in PI.
Oh, is it?
So,
Nice.
So some students like that we can remember. So
Fantastic.
in
Fantastic.
that way we have noticed that.
Ma'am, my last question for the day, and I'm asking this only for my students and my followers. Last year we had this international placement, right?
Yes.
35 lakhs, which is INR.
Yeah.
Good number, ma'am. You know, better than I mean, say it's a decent number compared to the couple of B schools. Will they get this kind of opportunities, this year, next year? Anything you want to make a mention on that line, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Because like as internationalization, that doesn't mean like to exchange the student and dual degree program. It's in the placement also. So
Nice.
in the placement also we like go beyond this. So that is something is different, and we are working on it.
Perfect. So I think this is what I wanted, ma'am, to tell you guys that if you are considering BIM as an option, see, domestically they are doing fantastically good. But if you are a good student, you can crack international placements also. Ma'am, any piece of advice finally from your side for all the students who are now they're done with their CAT, ZAT, results are also out. Any piece of advice or motivation you want to tell them?
So only one advice, that CAT, ZAT and everything, it's gone. Okay.
Yeah,
whatever, because they
it's done and
there is
dusted now.
no way to
Undo.
revisit that.
Yeah.
Only they can prepare themselves properly for the personal interview and GD. So for that reasons, it's my belief that if they follow the newspaper and the news the headlines, what's going on, because
Okay.
every day something is changing.
Absolutely,
okay?
ma'am. Absolutely.
So they can perform better in the GDPI.
Okay.
And PI, as you know that it's not only the domain based questions. Okay, something domain, something is on the general, something is on economy, what's going in the corporates, what kind
Understood.
of changes are coming. So if they
Understood.
can look after all those things, they can do really good.
Okay. Cool, ma'am. Thank you so very much for giving some time.
Thank you.
And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, put the comment and we will reply to that. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.